I'd like to thank Joey very much for agreeing to allow us to share her treatment with you. She presented to us about 4 weeks ago with a very painful right shoulder, and she had all the cardinal signs of supraspinatus tendinopathy, and that actually was confirmed on MRI scan. Now normally for chronic tendinopathy I'd start using shockwave therapy, but a week prior to Joey presenting to us, she'd had a corticosteroid injection. Now shockwave isn't really indicated for about 6 weeks after you had a corticosteroid injection. So we started with LightForce therapy, because LightForce therapy is very good for addressing pain. We did do some shockwave in the upper trapezius because we had some trigger points there. And now we've had 4 sessions of LightForce, and we're pleased to say that Joey's now got full range of movement back in her shoulder, but most importantly you're getting a good night's sleep.
Yes.
Yeah. So Joey, how do you feel having had LightForce therapy now?
I'm feeling good, it feels good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Has it made a bit of a difference to your life?
Definitely.
Yeah.
The pain is not so severe anymore as what it was before I started, and but it's fine now for me.
Great, that's wonderful. Yeah. Good. Okay, well thank you very much indeed for sharing that with us. We do appreciate it.